Good morning, guys. So I'm on an adventure this morning. I came across an awesome vanity on Facebook Marketplace. However, it's in Los Angeles. So I'm going to be going to get that and bring you guys along with this little adventure, and fingers crossed it all works out. Good morning. So you can see me a little better now. It's about 7:20 in the morning, yeah, I've been driving for about an hour. The vanity that I had on my mood board is about $450, I'd say, roughly, give or take. But it's in the UK, and I contacted them and they won't ship to the US. And honestly, I was contemplating, okay, well, I could easily just go over for free with my flight benefits, go get it, pick it up, shove it under the plane, and come back with it. What? But not only a headache, again, I'm trying to keep this cheap. So even $400 for a vanity is completely over the top. I've looked online trying to find one, and I've come across a few, but just not exactly on point. I ended up finding this on Facebook Marketplace, and it is in LA, but it's pretty much what I'm looking for. It does need some work, and but it's in my budget. It's $125. Yeah, so I'm gonna go pick it up, drive right there, and drive straight back. Yeah, okay, perfect.
2 hours later.
Okay, I am almost home. I left this morning at 6:20. So 7, 28, 29, 20, 10, 20. And it's almost 10:50. So we're talking 4.5 hours. Oh, it's a lot of time, but I think it's gonna be worth it. Would anyone else do this besides me? Hopefully I'm not the only one who's a mental person.
You saying I'm some kind of
mental person?
Oh, wait!
And I'm home. Do we have a spot?
Cool.
Now it's time for this beauty to get a makeover. And here you can see the best mom in the world. She came to help me. Thanks, Mom. Love you.
hardware needed a little polishing, but not too much, so we still keep the antique look. Finally, the fun can begin, putting the room together. Thanks so much for watching week 5. If you'd like to go back and watch the previous weeks, there's links in the description below. And stay tuned for next week, which will be the final reveal.